hair is giving drab, but this is giving fab. Here is the Ultimate Express Refresh product, extra large bombshell volumizer when you want to take your hair from flat to huge in less than 5 minutes, okay? And you don't have to wash your hair. So here's what I do. I just put this foam, it's a really lightweight foam that's actually feels moisturizing to your hair when you put it in, unlike other volumizers that make your hair drier because they use like alcohols and who knows what else. Color Wow, we do not use alcohols in this, so it's non-drying formula, keeps your hair really nice, soft, and touchable, but gives you that major volume that we all love. And now we dry it in. Okay, I told you under 5 minutes. That was 4 minutes and 36 seconds. Didn't need to wash my hair and spend an hour styling it. This was 4.5 minutes. It's insane. It is our Color Wow Extra Large Bombshell Volumizer. It is the Ultimate Express Refresh when you don't have time to do your hair. It is unbelievable. You guys have got to try it. Get it on colorwowhair.com or at Sephora. It is an absolute must-have.